What's up, family? It's your boy Dixon. It's like my 5th time doing this video. I'm not going to stop it anymore. They're not supposed to be that meant to be perfect videos anyway. Anyway, I'm going to do this Creole song. I've been really sick. Happy Blizzard Day, by the way. I've been really sick. I thought I had the flu, but you know how guys, how they start coughing and head spinning and bones aching. We think we have the flu, but anyway, I had a fever. I'm okay. I'm getting better now. And what you do when you're sick, you sing. So I hope you enjoy this Creole worship song. I'll have the words out in English in the bottom so you can understand. Let's go.
Connais ces petites là, océan yoa, eu sei Christ là. Connais ces Seigneur, Dieu tout puissant, ewa. Connais ces petites là, océan yoa, eu sei Christ là. Connais ces Seigneur, Dieu tout puissant, ewa. Alpha et l'Oméga, Lion Juda, pas quel autre, non, oh pas quel autre,